Looking at a home today that's under construction where they have installed the wire lath, it's easy to see that they have over-stapled the stucco wire lath, which will be very prone to future cracking. Here is a home in the same subdivision. Because of all the numerous cracking and the over-stapling, you could see the multiple cracks, and the home hasn't even been completed yet. This is the other side of the home. It's been completed. You can see the horizontal as well as the vertical and diagonals. The lath was not installed properly. Cannot tell if it's been overlapped properly, but it's not installed properly. If you look at the home, there's a different texture. The contractor is trying to eliminate the cracking. Pay close attention to the texture. It's been smoothed out to cosmetically take that away, but it's going to just continually crack as time progresses. Here at the front elevation of the home, you can see that there is no mid-wall weep screed. It appears to be a casement beading installed. Here is the corner of another home, and it's easy to see where the electrical outlet will be for the exterior spotlight. The water will get behind the cladding and cause a moisture intrusion problem.